Let me hear it from you all.
Hi everybody, thanks a lot for being here today.
Gemini 2.5 Pro is available now for everyone on AI Studio, Vertex AI, as well as in the Gemini app. We are unlocking your ability to build the next generation of agentic applications.
Google's AI Studio. It's a place where you can rapidly prototype anything for your application development or any information that you want to get.
So today's summit actually helped me to educate my students how to use AI to actually build some of the quick apps within 10 minutes.
I think the biggest difference for developer community has been the time it takes from idea to get something good.
What attendees can get here is that they can get a full-fledged oversome information and insight that what they can do using Google Cloud, what are the capabilities and services are.
As of today, 30% of our organization have already started using Gemini Code Assist, and the goal is for us to reach 90% this year.
The content, it was really very helpful for understanding the actual quality and the features of AI. So the biggest takeaway for me is that AI is an enabler and not someone that is taking away our job.
From the start to the end, everything was on point and great.
Finally, one word to describe this event.
Exponential.
So it was outstanding.
I would say marvelous.
Insightful.
Innovative.
Awesome. Agentified.
It's very informative.
Fantastic.